bring it up to the top. Doesn't do much room for milk.
We got like, it's like fucking Terminator of coffee machines.
I think you gotta hear it when it's rumbling.
I mean, it's like...
Oh, and it does the beans at the top. Oh,
it actually has an airtight tube in Mexico.
Yeah, exactly. Pneumatic.
Yeah. Straight off the bat.
Yeah, drying it on the way up.
That's actually people you're hearing in there.
The barista.
Yeah.
Himself.
Yeah. You're recording it?
Yes.
I think this is the line. This is
I need to,
it's
hold
not
on.
fast enough.
The robot is working. Give it time.
It should have two. Look at all that space. That's like...
Two? I don't think two could exist in the same space. They would probably kill each other while we were...
I mean, I moved away when it first started doing that.
It's just compressing it like it was an espresso.
Yeah, you got a loading bar?
Loading bar on the coffee.
There's a loading bar on my coffee. I mean, I do think my coffee is being made digitally in here, and then it somehow is able to, like, convert it into reality. I'm so impressed.
Yeah.